The 18th China Woochiao International Circus Festival opened on Tuesday in Shijiazhuang, capital of North China's Hebei province, attracting performances from 17 countries and regions. The event will feature 3 online acrobatics galas, presenting 35 performances from Chinese and foreign acrobats, according to the Provincial Culture and Tourism Department. 17 renowned figures in the field of circus and acrobatics will form a jury to score the 35 performances online, producing 3 top winners, 5 runners-up, and 7 third-place winners.
The Woochiaؤ Festival was always, for all time, from beginning, one of the best festivals in the world. I am artistic consultant of Woochiaؤ Festival, so my responsibility to recommend for Woochiaؤ Festival a lot of great acts, a lot of great programs from all around the world.
Founded in 1987, the festival, which is held every 2 years, is regarded as one of China's longest-running art competitions and cultural festivals, boasting the largest scale and the widest influence in the field of acrobatics. The festival, together with the Monte Carlo International Circus Festival in Monaco and the World Circus Festival of Tomorrow in Paris, France, are known as the world's top 3 circus venues.